Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Ngosi. We meet again. I would like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I want us to see or to learn how do you draw this one task 3. This one task 3. Task 1 is already uploaded. Task 2 is uploaded. Now we are on task 3 of what? Of engineering graphics and design grade 12. Engineering graphics and design grade 12. So I want us to look at chapter 3. So our goal is to upload all of them. So let us quickly go through the question. So it reads as follows. Figure 3 shows the top view and the front view of the top view and the front view. So you must already know which means those views are given in what? In first angle orthographic projection. So of a dovetail looking block. So the title of the drawing that we are doing, it's a dovetail looking block. It is drawn in what? In third angle orthographic projection. So it is in third angle orthographic projection. So whereas they said is given in what? In first angle orthographic projection. Again, when you come to analyze the views, we can say indeed this one is top, this one is what? This one is it's a front. So which means indeed they are given in what? In first angle orthographic projection. So I think that one is an error. So use a scale of 1:1 to convert the orthographic views into a sectional isometric drawing on the cutting plane AA. So what we are doing vandaag, it is the isometric drawing in sectional. It is the isometric in sectioning. Understand? So make the corner marked X the lowest point of the drawing. No hidden details. It is necessary or required. You understand? So let us start. So the X that they are talking about is that one. That one. So this one is the front view. This one is going to be the top view. So then we are going to start. So I'm going to start with what? With this type of a line horizontally, and then I'm going to draw this faint line. So where these two are perpendicular to each other, I'm going to have this point X, this point X. So from point X I am going to draw angle 30 degrees anti-clockwise. There you go. And like this I can go. Then from there, what is the base? So the base is how much? Is 25 millimeter. I almost say 25 marks. So from here till there is 25 millimeter. So which is the height? 25 there, using a scale of 1:1, isn't it? There it is. Then I'll go like this. Faint I go, and faint I go. So let me extend this one. Right. So let me come back to see the width. So the width of it, actually the length from here till here, what's the width is going to be this side. So from here till here is how much? It's 80 millimeter. So where's my 80? Not 85, this is 80. There is my 80. So the half of 80 is going to be 40. Isn't it? So this is the center. Draw it faint. Then draw it faint for now. So this one from here till here I don't need it. I can now erase it. So what is the width? So the width of it is how much? is how much? Is 75. From here till there is 75 millimeter. So if you say 75 divided by 2 is 35.5, isn't it? So say 37.5. So if I now measure from point X, I come to this side, there is my 75 millimeter divided by 277.5. 37.5, this is 37.5. So the 37.5 is between 37 and 38, right? So that one, it should be my center, so I'll draw it as a center. Then I draw this one faint all together. So this one I don't need it anymore. I can erase it. I don't need it anymore. So from there, what I can do, I'll pretend as if I'm closing my box now. I'll go faint, and I come to this other side. I go faint as well. So let me get to the center. And this one. Faint. Try to be fast. Right. So from this extent, what can you do now? From this extent, I'll go straight to my given. Where is it? It's right here. So by look of things, we've already drew that. We've already drew this box. Okay, inside there is what? There is this one. Then from there, okay, you see that, okay, we've got holes that they go down. This is interesting. All right. And underneath of it, there is what? This one from there till there. And if you say 35 minus 25, which means from here till here, is that remainder of what? Of 10 millimeter, isn't it? Okay, so this one corresponds with that. This one corresponds with that, isn't it? So which means from here till here is the same as from here till here, which means it's 30 millimeter, isn't it? But from here till there is that one. So from here till there we are not given, but we are going to get it when we are dealing with what? With this 15 degrees. Okay, and it's that. So let's draw what is under. So the under is it's actually of a length of what? Of 60. From here till there is 60 millimeter. So if I divide the 60 millimeter into 2, what am I getting? Getting 30. So I can simply put it at 30. This is the 30, isn't it? So the 60 I mark it 60 and mark it 0. All right. So if I've gotten that, it's good as if you switch on. It's good as if it's these points from here till there. So from here till here is how much? We are told from here till there is 65. You understand? So it's 65. So from here till there is going to be 55. Because this one is what? Is 10 millimeter. It's 10 millimeter. This one is 10 millimeter. This distance from here till here is the same as from here till here is the same as from here. So which means from here till here is 55. If from here till here is 65, which is that one given, isn't it? So I'm going to record that. This is 55. Excuse me. So it's the 55. Then I mark it 0, which is that one. After I've gotten it, this is going to be the bottom one, that is in the surface, the same surface with what with this upper top part of square. Didn't double check my T-square here. 55 is ending here. Yeah. So after getting that, so this point now, this one is the same as that point in my top view, that one, you understand? So now we are going to move from here till here, from here till here, which we know, which is what is 30, since they said it's 30 SQ, so it's the square of 30 millimeter, you understand? So I can simply put it at 15, this other side, and mark at 30, mark at 0, you understand? So now I can join this one with this faint, very faint, and join this one with this. But this one, it will be talking about the one that is at the back actual, you understand? So now I have to consider that height of what, of 10 millimeter going up. Let me erase, because we are going to have many lines here, you understand? So all these points that we just drew now, they are still faint, my brother, they are still faint. So now I'm gonna go up vertically, up, as well as the center, I take it up as well as this one, up, that one, this one up, goes up, the center, up, this one, up, right. So now I recorded the 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. So it's going to be from here till there, from here till here, you understand? So this 10, it will also coming to this other side, faint, and faint. So I can erase it here. So I join this one with this 10 millimeter again. There you go. And like this you go. Didn't got it nicely, but it's not important, this one, because it will be at the back. It will be the one that is, it will be at the back. So I'm just drawing it for the sake of doing it, you understand? So what we see now, what we have now, is what is hidden in our top view. It's what is hidden. Remember, on top of this there is also another layer, you understand, which is this one, which is the one that you can see it clearly, you understand? So once I get here, what am I gonna do? I'll simply extend this point, extend it just a little bit, you understand? So now I'm going to get the true 80, the 80, which is what is this one, from here till here, from here till here, from here till here, 88. So even on top of the, it will be still the 80 millimeter. So the half of 8 is 40. So there is 80 ending. And how about this side? My 80 is right here. It is right here, the 80. So which means we could have just took this one up. You see that we are still at the right track. Hang on, we are still at a right track. Okay, so this 8 here, it will be still going up. Goes up, goes up. You understand? So once this 80 reach this extent, so I'm going to record, and that is going to break. So I'm going to record how much, another 10 millimeter, which is this one from here till here. So the 35, if I'm saying 45 minus 35, I'm getting 10, which means is that one. We have already dealt with this one, so now that one. So which is this. Can even do it here. Still on the same thing. There is my 10 millimeter. Then after getting that, I'm going to take this side. I'm going to take it faint. There you go, faint for now. And the half of is this one. Still right there. So once it reach here, so I'll take it this direction. Faint, I'll draw it faint. This is the center, isn't it? Draw it faint. So this center, how long is it supposed to be? From here coming this side, how long is it supposed to be? So you go back to your question. You are told which from here till there, my brother, is what? Is 65, isn't it? So come back here and record your 65. This is 65. 60. My 65 is ending exactly at this point. You understand? So once you get that, and remember this one is the upper one, it's not the bottom one. You understand? The bottom one you can still take it. If you are going to take away your 65 ends, you just go down just a little bit. You are still going to take this one and come back to what to correspond with this, to correspond with that. So which means this one, it should be still the thickness of what we are about to draw now. You understand? So but now its center is no longer this one, but it's now that one. You understand? So why am I emphasizing that? Let me project it just further. You understand? Why am I emphasizing that? Because we are given an angle of 15 degrees. You understand? So the dimension from here till here we are not given. Assuming we were given, we would have just went straight, but we are not given the dimension from here till here. You understand? So that is why now we'll have to further extend this one up until it reaches here. Even this one up until it reaches here. You understand? So now what I'm gonna do, there it goes. Extend it. Once it reaches here, I'll take this one. There you go. And like this I can go. So remember that this one is the bottom one, isn't it? So now let me deal with what with that what to call the 15 degrees that they gave me. So what am I going to do? I'll simply draw it like this, faint line, isn't it? And so on that faint line I'll record vertical faint line like this. On that vertical faint line I'm going to record what? The 75 millimeter. No, not 75, this 65 from here till here, 65 millimeter. Let me start right here. 65 millimeters. It's ending right here. So where my 65 ends, just go like this. Then from where my point 0 is, which is this one, so I'm going to put my protractor there. And open at my angle 30 degrees. I mean 15, not 30. So put it at. You know how to use a protractor, isn't it? So the line that is under protractor is to tally with this one. The vertical and the horizontal, they must tally there. That is why your protractor is transparent. So exactly at 0, even this other side. You understand? So 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 25, 30. So as we are looking for what? 15. So there is my 15. After I've gotten the 15, so I am going to join the point 0 with this, where I've marked 15. So now this distance that you are looking for, we've already gotten it from here till there. Understand? Which is which one? There by our top view is this one, from here till there. You understand? So now I can simply do what now? I can simply come and place my drawing compass here till right here. Right? Then I come and place it here. There you go, which means it's the top one. Which means it's the top one. Remember, I've used the upper one, not the bottom one. So what I say, I took the, so I have to do, come in, that goes from here, it comes here. So the point that I am having actually is not that one, but it's this one. Remember that this one is actually talking about the bottom part. You understand? So this corner that I'm having now, this corner, do you see? Oh, this corner that I have now, which one? This one. It's good as if it's this one. You understand? This corner that I'm having now is good as if it's this one. So I'll simply place it here, and then I come and place it at this point. You see? Yes, that goes from there, comes here, comes with the center, from the center comes, yes, we are at the right track. Then I come and place it here and give a mark right here. Give a mark right there. So this mark that we are having, it is the mark that now we are going to join this one with this. It's on the top part now. There it goes. I'm drawing it a little bit dark, you understand? So this one, forget about it, is the bottom one, you understand? So now I'm gonna go down just a little bit as well. There you go. And I join it with what? With this one. There you go. So now this distance, this one from here till here is the same as from here till here, isn't it? So which means I can simply just put my drawing compass at the center, which is that one, further extended to this point that we just got. Then I come and mark this side, mark this side, erase this one, and it's on the top part. So which means I'll join this one with this one, and according to my cutting plan, let me just draw this one dark, because the cutting plane, if you trace the cutting plane very well, the cutting plane is cutting it in not in half but a quarter. You understand? Once it reaches center, it comes this side. So what's going to be removed is only the shape. You understand? It's almost gonna be only the shape. You understand? So which means even at the back here, this one, I can draw it now. Let me have it dark so that I'll see where am I going exactly. So even this one at the center, till at the center, I'll have it dark. Where's my center? It's that one. Have it dark. And from here to the center again, dark. I1. Then once it reach here, so what is going to happen? So take this one a little bit back, faint as well, and have it dark from here till right there, dark, and dark. So even the base, I can have it dark here, even here, dark, even here, dark. Let's reach here, dark. Everyone. So even here I can have it solid. You understand? So so I'll come back to have this one solid now, because now I can see what is happening. Solid there, solid at the center. Come and have it solid here, and solid right here. Okay. So then from there, what is going to happen now? So I am going to have this one. Remember that, okay, they cut it from there till there is 32, of which is what we have dealt with. Is this one from here till there 32. So it has cut it, which means this one, it should be dark, my brother, till right here. Once it gets there, it's gonna go up till just a little bit here, because this one, it should be dark. It will be dark till at the center. You understand? So to get that center nicely, so we must remember the bottom one. So the bottom one, let's trace it. The bottom one of that 60. Once it touch there, it was going to this one. So which means it's gonna go dark till at that one, because from here it was gonna go up. Once it was gonna go up. Now it should be well exposed, isn't it? Once it reach up, it's gonna come back to this outer one. Which one? This one of this other side. A1. So once it touch here, it's gonna go up. Is this clear, right? So it's gonna go up. You understand? So now I can see it clearly. It's going to be dark from here till there. From here till there is the upper one, isn't it? So even the bottom one, we are going to see it, but it will be dark till right here. So there you go. Amen. So now what we say, so now I can take this one at this direction to give me the center. So I'll take it